Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Presto using TLS and basic auth step by step clearly. To authenticate with Presto using TLS and basic authentication, follow these steps. Ensure that you have a Presto cluster set up and running. Verify that your Presto server is configured to support TLS. Check that you have valid certificates for your TLS connection. Locate your Presto configuration directory. Open the config.properties file within the configuration directory. Add or edit the following properties for TLS authentication. Set http server.https.enabled to true. Specify the path to your HTTPS certificate using http server.https.certificate. Specify the path to your HTTPS private key with http server.https.private key. Ensure that your Presto server is set to require basic authentication. Open the access control.properties file in the same configuration directory. Set http server.authentication to basic. Next, you will need to configure the user credentials. Create a properties file for user credentials, such as users.properties. In this file, define your username and password pairs. Format each entry as username equals password. Now, restart your Presto server to apply the changes. Once the server is running, verify the TLS connection using a TLS-enabled client. Use curl or a similar tool to test your connection. Construct your curl command with the appropriate options for TLS. Include the username and password option for basic authentication. Add the K option if you need to skip certificate validation for testing. Run the curl command to check for successful authentication. If everything is configured correctly, you should receive a successful response from your Presto server. Finally, proceed to use the Presto client or connect your application securely. Now you have successfully authenticated with Presto using TLS and basic authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.